এই দ্বিতীয় সপ্তাহে আমাদেরকে ইংলিশ সাবজেক্টে নবম শ্রেণী ইংলিশ সাবজেক্টের ওপর একটি অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট দেওয়া হয়েছে। সেটি হলো বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমানের ওপরে একটি প্যারাগ্রাফ। সো স্টার্ট আওয়ার ভিডিও। Father of the Nation Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, 17 March 1920, 15 August 1975, shortened as Sheikh Mujib or just Mujib, was a Bangladeshi politician and statesman. Sheikh Mujib was born in Tungipara, a village in Gopalganj district. He is called the father of the nation in Bangladesh and also called the poet of the politics. He served as the first president of Bangladesh and later as the Prime Minister of Bangladesh from 17 April 1971 until his accession on 15 August 1975. Actually, he is considered to be the driving force behind the independence of Bangladesh. He is also known to all as Bangabandhu, friend of Bengal by the people of Bangladesh. Description: he was born into a Bengali Muslim family of 4 daughters and 2 sons. His parents used to accordingly call him Khoka. It was the night of 25 March 1917. There was a full of questions at Bangabandhu's home at Dhanmondi Road number 32 throughout the day. His family members could appear that something tracking was going to happen. Mujib was arrested by Pakistani army evidently after his declaration of independence. At the first horn of the 26th March 1971 and he was taken to Pakistani as a captive and imprisoned there in a small cell for capital punishment until 7th January 1972. Even a grave was dug in front of his cell, but Mujib was fearless. He knew nothing would stop the Bangladesh to gain independence. However, after Bangabandhu's independence, Mujib was released from Pakistani custody to international pressure and returned to Dhaka in January 1972. As soon as the door of the aircraft opened, Bangabandhu, he had lost weight due to imprisonment for nearly 10 months in a Pakistani prison, but a big smile appeared on his face. Bangabandhu was the first person in the history of the UN to deliver a speech in Bangla. He delivered the speech on 25 September 1974. Just after a week, Bangladesh became a member of the UN. Basically, to be a member of the UN was not easy go as some influential countries are opposing the member for Bangladesh. So it was another war. Finally, he won not only the UN membership but also everyone who listened his ever first speech at the UN. It was a very experience for him. He came, he saw, and he conquered everyone. It was another milestone for him. Fidel Castro, the then Prime Minister of Cuba in 1973, when he first met Bangabandhu, said, "I have not met the Himalayas, but I have seen Sheikh Mujib. In personality and in courtesy, this man is the Himalayas." Then Castro's of Bangladesh of 1972 clearly reflects the philosophy, friendship for all, malice to none. Finally, the charismatic leadership of Bangabandhu inspired idea to come forward to extend its support during Liberation War. Actually, he was the real hero and the real planner of the nation. আশা করি আমার অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটি বুঝতে পেরেছেন। সো এই পর্যন্ত ভিডিওটি শেষ হলো। আল্লাহ হাফিজ।